Alright, listen closely because this one is big. iQOO is officially pulling the curtain back on the iQOO Z11 Turbo in China on January 15th. And ahead of launch, they've been steadily dropping confirmed specs on Weibo. Now we finally have the full camera details. And honestly, this phone is shaping up to be an absolute powerhouse. Let's start with the headline feature because it's impossible to ignore. The iQOO Z11 Turbo becomes the first iQOO smartphone ever to pack a 200-megapixel primary camera. This isn't just a big number for marketing either. The main sensor is a large 1 by 1.56-inch unit paired with an f1.88 aperture, which means better light intake and sharper detail, especially in challenging lighting. On top of that, iQOO has added optical image stabilization backed by CIPA 4.5 level professional-grade stabilization, promising noticeably steadier photos and videos, even when you're moving. Zoom is another major highlight. The Z11 Turbo supports 4x lossless zoom, preserving detail without sacrificing clarity, and pushes all the way up to 40x magnification using software enhancements. And this is where iQOO leans heavily into AI. You're getting features like cinematic storyboarding, which helps structure your shots more creatively, and secondary photo recomposition in the gallery, letting you reframe and enhance photos after they're taken. On the front, iQOO hasn't cut corners either. There's a 32-megapixel wide-angle selfie camera, and it supports 0.8x, 1x, and 2x focal lengths, giving you flexibility for group selfies, standard shots, or tighter portraits without needing extra lenses. Now let's talk gaming, because the Z11 Turbo is clearly built with gamers in mind. The phone debuts with the Global Esports Network System 2.0, powered by the Thunder Z1 gaming signal enhancement chip. According to iQOO, this setup can reduce game stutter by an impressive 76.47%, even when you're connected to Wi-Fi 5 GHz signals passing through 4 walls. For competitive gaming, that kind of connectivity stability can be the difference between winning and losing. Moving to the display, the Z11 Turbo is expected to feature a 6.59-inch LTPS OLED panel with a 1.5K resolution and a 144 Hz refresh rate. That combination promises sharp visuals, ultra-smooth scrolling, and a seriously fluid gaming experience. Under the hood, things get even more exciting. The phone is tipped to run on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5, paired with up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and a massive 1 TB of UFS 4.1 storage. That's flagship-level performance through and through, whether you're gaming, multitasking, or shooting high-resolution photos and videos. Battery life is another standout area. The Z11 Turbo is expected to pack a huge 7600 mAh battery with support for 100-watt fast charging. And despite that massive battery, iQOO is reportedly keeping the phone at around 7.9 millimeters thick and roughly 202 grams in weight, which is seriously impressive for this capacity. Rounding things out, you're also getting an ultrasonic 3D fingerprint sensor, IP68 and IP69 ratings for dust and water resistance, and Android 16 out of the box running on Origin OS 6. So, are you excited for the iQOO Z11 Turbo? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome tech content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.